Hello, my name is Sanjida. I am from Bangladesh. I have worked in finance industry for a very long time. However, I think it's a little good change for me to make the transition into IT because the growth within the industry is immense at the moment. And I joined Transfotech and I'm very much enjoying my time here and the learning process that as a group we are making. Right now, I'm very much enjoying the labs because I have an in-class experience within what is it that we're going to do once we're in the job market. It's very easy to just learn off of a blackboard, but here we're actually using the platforms, the different softwares that are needed within the world out there in class right here. So that's a very hands-on experience and I'm very grateful for that. We have a learning management system here where the classes are being recorded and we're not in the class, and if we need to check back on something, we can literally just go into the online link that the professor provides to us and then we can watch everything that has happened within the class. So that's something that's really great. And also Transfotech takes great feedbacks from the students. So if there's certain things that is not working out with us, they will make that changes because the class is for us.